Hey everybody, this is Mr. Regner, and we're talking today about chapter 8.5. It's titled The Coordinate Plane. And the coordinate plane sounds like a really fancy way of saying a grid, and that's kind of what it is. So I'm looking at example number 1 right here on my board. And actually, I'm sorry, this is just like example 1. This is the key idea in front of example number 1. And it shows me the coordinate plane. Here it is. The coordinate plane, we already know, is divided up into 4 sections because of our x-axis and our y-axis. So when we split that up, we have 4 different quadrants. We name those, oddly enough, quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4. Quadrant 1 is in the upper right corner. That would be like the positive numbers and the positive numbers. So if I have a positive x value and a positive y, it's in quadrant 1. Quadrant 2, we kind of go counterclockwise. So it's going to be the negative x value and the positive y value. Quadrant 3, right below it, again, counterclockwise. This one's going to be the negative negative, so negative x, negative y. And then our last one, quadrant 4, is going to be in the lower right-hand corner, and that would include all of our positive x's and negative y's. So it's important to know sort of what our quadrants are, because those 4 quadrants make up our coordinate plane. We also have this dot right in the middle. That's always 0, 0. So if I'm getting on an elevator, remember, I need to go to the right, and then I can go down or up, right? That's how we think of plotting points. If I'm at 0, 0, I'm just right here in the middle. And that point we call the origin point, right? Think of a superhero story, always has an origin story. Here, the origin of the coordinate plane is boop, right in the middle. So we always begin at that origin, and we can move either to the right or left, and then up or down, depending on if it's x or y is positive or negative. So again, if you look at this coordinate plane, what we're really doing here is we're thinking about positive or negative integers, positive or negative rational numbers. And we've already done so much of this in Focus that I feel like this is going to be kind of an easy one for you guys, plotting some points in this coordinate plane. So as you're taking a look at chapter 8.5, just kind of remember some of that work we've already done, and that might help you out. All right, I'm Mr. Regner. Have a great day. Stay safe.